In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a page in Notion. If you're like many users, you might find yourself wanting to save or share your beautifully organized Notion pages with a wider audience. Exporting a Notion page can be a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring you get a clean and polished PDF file at the end. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to navigate to the page in Notion that you'd like to export. This is your starting point. In your Notion workspace, browse through your lists or use the search function to locate the specific page. Once you've landed on the desired page, simply click to open it. This will bring up all the content you have curated from text to images, ensuring that everything is laid out just the way you want it before you continue with the export process. Now, with the page open, it's time to prepare for export. To do this, look in the upper right corner of your screen for the three dot icon, often referred to as the menu button or context menu. Clicking these three dots will open a drop-down menu with several options at your disposal. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Export. Go ahead and click on Export to proceed to the next step. Once you've selected Export, you're presented with a few options on how you wish to export your page. Notion supports multiple file formats, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we will focus on exporting as a PDF. Therefore, in the Export Options menu, locate and select PDF. This file format is widely recognized and retains the layout and formatting of your page beautifully, making it an excellent choice for sharing with others or for professional documentation. Having chosen PDF, you're just a step away from completing your export. The final task is to click on Export. This action will prompt Notion to prepare your page for download. Depending on the complexity and size of your page, this might take a moment. Once Notion has finished processing, the PDF file will either automatically download to your computer, or you may be prompted to choose a location to save the file. And there you have it. Your Notion page is now exported as a PDF file. You can now share it, print it, or archive it according to your needs. By following these simple steps, you've ensured that your Notion creation can be appreciated by others, even outside the Notion ecosystem. Remember, this method of exporting is not only effective, but also preserves the integrity and appearance of your well-crafted Notion pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you master the art of exporting in Notion.